Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be creating an Angular project from scratch and we'll also run it locally. So if you're new to the Angular world and you're creating your first Angular app, so I recommend to watch this complete series because it will help you in your journey. Okay, so before moving to the Angular installation and setup, let's discuss about the prerequisites of the Angular project. So first thing is Node.js and npm. So we need npm, which is the package manager, and it is called Node Package Manager. So we'll be needing many dependencies to build our Angular code, and those dependencies will be fulfilled by the npm. And npm comes as a bundle with Node.js server. So for that, we will have to install Node.js. And the second thing is Angular CLI, which is a command line interface of Angular, where we will be executing all our commands that Angular can understand and react accordingly. Okay, so let's move ahead and first install Node.js. Okay, so this is the URL. I will provide this URL in the description. From here, you can install the Node.js. So you have to first make sure which Node version is compatible for your Angular version. Okay, so like for now, I'm using Angular 17, or if you are on Angular 18 as well. Okay, so you can go for Node 22, Node version 22. Okay, I've installed Node version 22 already. So if you want to check, you can go to this website. Okay, I'll provide this link as well. Okay, so here you can check the compatibility version. Okay, if you're on Angular 18, which version you should choose. If you're on higher version, which version you should choose. Okay, once you're all set, you can select your version, your operating system. Okay, and then you can simply install your package and you can simply install it. Okay, once this is done, you can come to any terminal. If you're on Mac or if you are on Windows, you can open command prompt. So you can just type this command node-v. So it will tell you what node version you are using, and you can check for your npm version as well, npm-v. So it will tell you the node version, sorry, the npm version and the node version. Okay, so now Node.js is all set. Let's move ahead and install the Angular CLI. So for Angular CLI, let's open any IDE, or you can run this command in your terminal as well. Okay, so for that, let me open a terminal and just simply type npm install -g @angular/CLI. So npm install is the command, -g refers to the installation globally, so that I am installing the Angular CLI globally, and this is the name of my Angular CLI. Okay, once you hit it, it will install the Angular CLI on your machine. So I have already installed it, so I will not install it. So once this is done, you have to just check if this is installed properly. You will enter ng version. My node version is not set. I think like we set it. Now let's type ng version. Yeah. So it says that your Angular is installed and which version is installed, which node version it is using. Okay, and which npm version it is using. Okay, now as we are done with all our prerequisites, so let's move ahead and create our first uh, Angular app. So for that, let me create an empty folder. Okay, so this is folder that I've created, an empty folder. Inside this folder, I'll be creating my app. Okay, so let me move. navigate to this folder, cd documents, cd my test projects, cd first Angular. Okay. So inside this folder, I'm creating my Angular app. So for the Angular app creation, you will write command for Angular CLI ng new my first app. Okay. So ng is for Angular, new, that I'm creating my new app, and this is the app name. Okay. Once you hit enter, it will start creating your app. Okay, so first it is asking for which style sheet you will prefer. So by default, we mostly use SCSS. So we'll choose SCSS. And then it will ask for if you want to enable server-side rendering or not. So if you're just creating a huge app which has a lot of get requests from the server side, so you can go to this SSR. But if you are creating a simple project, you can use N. Okay, so now it will start creating your app, and it may take some time, between 2 to 5 minutes it can take. So let's wait for it. Okay, so now the project creation is done. So now we'll clear it. We will open our project inside VS Code. Okay, so this is my first app which is created inside that folder. I will select it and I will open it. Okay, so this is the folder structure that Angular CLI has created for us. Okay, so it has a lot of files that it has created for us, different folders. So I'll be explaining these files and folders in detail in my upcoming videos. So for that, stay tuned to this complete series. Okay, so for now, we are only concerned about this SRC folder. So in the SRC folder only, we have our base code. This HTML, this is the main HTML that has our code. Okay, so this is basically the main HTML. This as Angular is the single page application, so this is the main app, main HTML which will be loaded on UI, and inside this HTML only you will be creating multiple UI. Okay, so let's run this app now. Let's open a terminal. Let me set my node. Okay, and we can now hit this command to start our Angular app, that is ng serve. So once you hit this command, okay, so it started our application on port 4200. So let's copy it and open in a browser. Yeah, so this is our Angular app running, and this it's picking the name from the component file here. Okay, this is the title, and this title is used inside the HTML, right? Hello, title. Hello, my first app. So that was all about this video. I hope you understood it. So now go and create your first Angular app, and do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.